video, I will show you how to install the AnyConnect VPN client on your Windows computer. First, we want to make sure that the client is not already installed on your computer. There's two ways that you can check. On the taskbar, there's an up arrow, and if you see the client, which looks like a circular globe with green and white, then it's installed. You can also do a search for Cisco, and if it shows that there's an app installed, if it's not there, then you should be good to go. So we're going to go ahead and open up a browser, and you can use Chrome, Firefox, and I'm going to go to the Goucher IT website, www.goucher.edu/IT, and then scroll down to the search field and type in VPN and then click search. A new tab opens, and the first option is how to connect to Goucher VPN. I'm going to click that option, and then you'll notice that there's some instructions here. So before you begin, it tells you that you need to check your computer to see if it's already installed, because if it is a Goucher managed computer, it is most likely installed. That already. The other thing is we want to make sure that we are off campus, because the VPN only works when you are off campus. So since we do not have installed, I'm going to go ahead straight to the steps. And you also want to make sure that you read through all these steps first to make sure that you understand what needs to be done. I've read through all this, and I'm going to go ahead and click on the Cisco VPN client folder link, because that's where the installation files are stored on a shared folder on Box. When I click the link, a new tab opens, and I see I have two options here. Now you can disregard this message about logging into Box. There's no need to log into Box to access these files. So you want to select the one that is for your operating system, and the one we want is the second one, which is AnyConnect Win 4.8. So I'm going to go ahead and select that. Let me get rid of this message here, and then click download. Now this message pops up, and again, you're given the option to sign up or log in, but again, you do not need this. You can just go ahead and close out of that message, and you'll see in the lower left hand corner that it has downloaded AnyConnect Win. Now depending on your browser, it may not look like this. I'm going to go ahead and click on that installation file so we can start the install wizard. I'm going to go ahead and click next, select the agreement, and then click install so we can continue with the installation. And then once it's done, click finish.